everybody and welcome back to the chateau. Today I've got a massive log splitter that I've hired from the mower shop at the end of my driveway. Hopefully that means I can get all of that stuff that we got cut up from the trees that were down, the final stuff that we couldn't get logged up before the party, done, so I can finish clearing up before winter. I'm not going to lie, this is repetitive and dull, but it's quite amazing how much wood, once it's split, comes out of a tree. You saw that pile to begin with. I really haven't taken many of the big rounds out of there, and there is already a huge amount. I'm not even sure how much that will produce, but I need to go and get a trailer to start stacking this in and get some to the pub, and of course get some in the wood pile here, because this is ready to burn this winter. But before I go and get the trailer sorted for moving wood around, we have storms coming, and I need to get the last of the stuff, the stage and everything down, packed down, put into the trailer, taken away to the storage unit. I need to get the grass cut, so I can get that mower's been lent to me. I need to get that back to a friend of mine, and I just need to get stuff packed down. The wood can wait, so let's go on with it. Hasn't started raining yet, and I've almost got a garden back and a lot of wood chopped, split. Yeah, you know what I mean. So the wood splitter has gone back. That pile was twice as big. One full trailer load has already gone, but it's quite time consuming. I've still got all that to do, so you can tell how much wood we really will get from that, which is good. Free heating. And to be honest, that was a tree that came down here, came straight across here, probably 2 years ago now. And obviously Colin and Chris, Diggerman France, they came and moved this for me. But over that 2 year period, there's quite a lot in this hedge which has actually grown up. So there's even more here, but this is getting quite difficult because of the rain at night. You can see just how difficult it is getting in and out of this section. So got to be a little bit careful. But other than that, I am rather impressed with how no man's land, or the camping area, whatever you want to call it, is looking. There are just some last bits, and it would be lovely if we have a nice autumn to clear all of that. So one, I can get the wood out of there, but two, you can see that view and hopefully dissuade all of the critters living in the banks. And the back garden is now clear, although we did have a few issues earlier, as you saw at the beginning. That massive log splitter just would not touch these. Gave this a go a couple of times, you can see by the marks there. So it's just too wet, it won't physically split because it's still so fresh, just not powerful enough. So we've got all of that to do, and of course all of the ones we put around for the party for seating around the fire pit. That's as much of that as it would actually touch. And I've got to get rid of the horsebox bar tomorrow, clear some more space down at the workshop. Garden's looking nice and clear, bit of grass cut, which is very nice. And we got two other massive piles, huge pile back there as well, sorted. So we are clearing right up, and the grass is even growing back in this section. So it's all coming together before the winter. So I'd wanted to get everything put away, fixed up, and perfect before winter, and do it here because it's quite a nice backdrop. It's a nice place and less travelling for me. It's not worked out that way because of the weather, so we're going to have to do it down at the workshop bit by bit before it's packed away for the winter. So it's all going down there. I've got somewhere dry to do it because the weather is up and down and it's fairly terrible. That said, I'm really happy with progress so far this winter, because ordinarily everything is everywhere and I get called away for business and then it's just ruined for winter. It might actually look quite good this winter and we'll get somewhere. So, reasonably happy. Does mean though, based on the weather, I'm going to have to fix my mower because I haven't got anything to cut the grass, and as you can see, it's growing like crazy. Need to sort out the horse box, get the wood put away, and you know what? This place might look good for winter, and I'm looking forward to it because it means I can get on with that bedroom suite, because I am desperate to move back into my master bedroom. Right, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye now.